Yo, what's up, guys? I'm here with Adam Schmitt. He joined the eCom Good Life. Like, how long ago, Adam?
A few months. I want to say like 3 or 4 months ago.
Yeah, 3 or 4 months ago. He's gotten some insane results. Once again, just like running the same exact pre-built Shopify store. He was one of our clients. Came in, got it for $17. Gave him a few products that we literally just passed down to him. Since he did schedule his phone call with us, we started working with him. We recommended him a few products, and some of them have seen like crazy results. Definitely like surpassed my expectations, and it's just kind of like the market that we're in with TikTok and a lot of these advertisers, how easy it is to scale. So that's really what we've been banking on this quarter. So Adam, I want you to tell them a little bit about like how you started with us and then some of the products and stores you ran up.
Yeah. So about 3 or 4 months ago, I joined the course. I was pretty unsure about it, but it was kind of scary at first taking that first step, but I can't be more happy that I did it. So this is my TikTok page. This is my main store. It's a little protein bottle. It has almost 40,000 followers. And yeah, so here are the
And it didn't
analytics.
cost you a dime. What's important is like for the people that are getting started that like don't have a crazy budget, if they only spent $17 in the store, they don't have like $1,000 or $2,000 more than that. It was literally completely free for him to post those TikToks to grow that following. And it was just up to him to just like post content about the product. And TikTok like basically did the rest of the work. And we did help you like find that product. That was like one of the products that we recommended to him. I saw a lot of potential in that. Like, not gonna lie, a lot of these products on TikTok that I've been seeing, I've been recommending to students like weeks earlier. So that's what he did. He did this product. And like, what were some of the results you got with this product?
Yeah, I think that's one of the best parts. No risk. There's not a big jump that you have to worry about.
Exactly.
Yeah. So here was last month on this store, coming in a little over $25,000 on revenue.
And what type of profits are on that 25,000? Because this is like one of the best parts.
Yeah, it's like 70%. So taking home,
yeah, 70%, not only with like all these other gurus. And if you watch YouTube or if you learn from any other place, I guarantee you they're going to tell you guys to do like paid ads and do all these things. And they even have like, it's first off, it's going to be really hard to get to $25,000 a month. And then second off, you're definitely not going to have like 70% margins, because then you're going to have to spend money for your ads. And you also need that initial capital to do it. You might lose money. And also it's like not as many products work. So that's like 3 good reasons why Adam's crushed it and why we're going to continue to crush it.
Yeah, so this is Scoop Boost. That's the name of my brand, the protein thing. This is just another store I had doing $16,000 in revenue, and this is my favorite. This was in one day on May 19th.
Yeah,
$31,100.
that was insane. That was insane. It was kind of a similar product that I revealed to my students. Anyone who works with me, once again, like if you booked a call, if you haven't booked a call already, go ahead. It should be somewhere around this. You'll be able to book it. But very similar product. A lot of people took inspiration from that, and they're able to like build off of my store, because like I reveal to you, if you're ever joining the eCom Good Life, like I tell you my store, I tell you how much I'm making myself and my stores and everything like that. I'm 100% transparent. So yeah, this was one of the most insane days ever. How many views on TikTok did this video get when you made 31K in a day?
It was a few million. I think like 3.6 million.
Yeah, it's actually insane. Hopefully if they can see my screen, but on my TikTok, I'll show you guys on one of the stores that I have. My account is like 300,000 followers, which I've been doing it for a while now, so it's a little easier. But look, we got like 8.9 million, if they can see somewhere around there. I don't know if you pause it, but yeah, I got like 8.9 million views in a day. And then I had another video get 7.4 million. So I got like 15 million views in a day. I think we did like $21,000. You did 31 with less views. Obviously very product dependent, but that's kind of where we come in. We recommend you certain products that we think are like people actually want to buy rather than just go viral. Because a lot of people get viral videos and they have like cool products that look cool, but unfortunately no one wants to buy it. But not everyone has like the mindset of like a marketer. They wouldn't understand certain criteria of selling products. So if you have someone like me or someone from my team that can like help you, that's experienced in it, you'll be able to achieve similar numbers to this. And do you have anything you want to add, Adam?
Nope. I'm super glad I joined. That first step, I was scared at first, but it was all worth it.
Yeah, super crazy. And you should tell them about what you bought like a couple weeks ago.
Oh yeah. So I got a car, not brand new. It's a year old, Audi A5. Super nice. I don't know if Mikey could put a picture up of it.
Yeah, probably if I do, but later or something, I can probably do it in post.
Yeah. But man,
so super
crazy results.
Yeah, super crazy results. And the best part is like Adam is not the only one that like has like seen similar numbers to this. We've been able to like follow like a repeated step-by-step process that we work with people, feed them the same products, tell them how to build out their product page, how to advertise it, really simple stuff. So yeah, right now I'm in Greece. I'm just traveling for the summer. And if you haven't already, guys, you've seen the results that Adam's got and all these other people. So just book a call, should be somewhere down there. And you'll be able to book a call, I believe, for like the next day or maybe even today. It's completely free. Once again, when you do it, it's not going to ask for your credit card or anything. You just need to give phone number, email, and like why you want to join. And we're going to review it. Feel like we're a good fit. If we see potential in you, just like we saw in Adam, then we'll go ahead and we'll start helping you out on like a deeper scale. But anyways, guys, book your call one last time down there. It'll be completely free. And I look forward to talking with you.